Hi, I'm Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living, and raising a family in China. In this video, we're looking at Shapes PowerPoint lesson. Let's check it out. As always, I start my classes with the rules slide where we go over the rules, and I advise the students if they follow the rules, they'll get a reward at the end of the class. Today, we're looking at Shapes PowerPoint lesson. It's aimed at middle grades for primary and elementary schools. And we're going off with presentation to begin with. So we're going to be doing drilling the word first, so like circle, and then I'm going to be asking them how many circle-shaped things that they know of that they can say, they can point out. And that's the same pattern for all these different shapes as well. And once we've gone through the drilling, we're then going to sing a song about shapes. Get them up, get them dancing, get them moving around. Back from that, we're going to be going into a game where they get to identify the shapes. So I've got a whole bunch of different shapes here. Some of the names I've not covered, but they will be probably familiar with. However, they're not going to ever have to actually say those words, so it doesn't really matter. And they have to use the grid to tell me which part of the grid is a star. So A1 is a star. A2, circle. Okay, so they're telling me they're identifying the different shapes. And then we're going to go into a game where they are going to tell me the name of the shapes. So I've got some biscuits, and it looks like what it's a shape. It's a circle. So we've got a whole different bunch of shapes of the biscuits, and then we're going to do another song. And going back from the song, we're going to play a game here, which is a bomb game, and I'll put a link to that bomb game below. I believe it's the Donkey Kong bomb game, where they're going to be identifying a whole bunch of different shapes within different contexts, and there are going to be multiple different ones on the screen as well. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel, and remember to check out the link below to download that copy of the PowerPoint lesson. Bye bye.